Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a Genesis Supreme. I'm not sure what it's in here for yet, but it looks fairly new. And so I just wanted to let you know, if you have a Genesis Supreme or you know somebody that owns a Genesis Supreme, we actually do manufacturer warranty work for them. And there's other videos and stuff that we've put out on different repairs that we've done to Genesis Supreme units here on the lot. We actually have a Genesis Supreme RV owners in the repair shop with Dustin group. So if you haven't joined that group, we encourage you to do so. As we start to work on more of them, we'll go ahead and list like what we're doing, the fixes and repairs and products and things that we're doing on them. Let me see if I can catch what year this guy is. This is a 10 of 21. So it's basically a 22. And so at some point we'll come out here and we'll do our exterior eval on it, give the body and the roof a walk, see what else it's here for, and then go from there. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. And again, if you have a Genesis Supreme or you know somebody, come see us. We're here in Lodi, California. The business name is California RV Specialist, but on YouTube we go by Your RV Specialist. All right, well, thanks a lot. Have a great day.